Hello everyone! In today's video, we will try to explain what we mean by technical optimization. Technical SEO, sometimes referred to as on-site SEO, refers to the technical aspects of a website that affect its search engine ranking. One of the main goals of technical SEO is to make a website easy for search engines to crawl and index. Technical SEO encompasses a wide range of factors, including website structure. A website structure refers to how pages are organized and linked together. A well-structured website will make it easier for search engines to crawl and index pages. URL. URL are the addresses of web pages. Well-structured URL will be easy for both users and search engines to understand. Page loading speed. Page loading speed is essential for both users and search engines. Search engines penalize websites with slow loading speeds. Mobile friendliness. Mobile friendliness refers to how a website looks and performs on mobile devices. More and more people are using mobile devices to access the internet, so websites must be mobile friendly. Security. Security is an essential factor for both users and search engines. Search engines penalize websites that are not secure. Technical SEO can be a complex and time-consuming process, but it is an essential part of any SEO strategy. By optimizing your website for technical SEO, you can improve its ranking in search results and attract more visitors. Here are some examples of technical SEO activities. Submitting your sitemap to Google. A sitemap is a file that tells search engines about the pages on your website. Submitting your sitemap to Google will help search engines find and index your pages. Fixing any technical errors on your website. Technical errors, such as broken links and duplicate content, can hurt your website's ranking in search results. Fixing any technical errors on your website will help improve your ranking. Improving your website's loading speed. A slow-loading website can hurt your website's ranking in search results. Improving your website's loading speed will help improve your ranking. Making your website mobile-friendly. More and more people use mobile devices to access the internet. Making your website mobile-friendly will help you attract more visitors from mobile devices. Keeping your website secure. A secure website is important for both users and search engines. Keeping your website secure will help improve your ranking and protect your users. Do I need to be a developer to do technical SEO? No, you don't. Keep in mind, as an SEO marketer, all you need to learn is how to identify the technical issues and communicate them with the developers, but it is essential to say you need to know about the best practices and share them with the developers as guidelines. In the upcoming weeks, I will publish videos about the most common technical issues, show you how to find those issues, and communicate the fixes with the developers. If you want to learn technical SEO, subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of upcoming technical videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.